The Peak Design packing cubes stand out for their strong materials, sleek design, and the fact that they can compress or expand based on how much you pack. They're made of a 70D nylon and polyester blend, which feels lightweight and durable enough to handle frequent travel. Even after years of use, many travelers report no major wear and tear, though slight rips can appear if you regularly overstuff them, especially around zippers and handles. Still, it's worth noting that these cubes come with a lifetime warranty, which backs up their premium reputation. The two sizes, small and medium, offer versatile packing for either a weekend getaway or a longer trip. A medium cube is large enough to hold multiple shirts, pants, and extra layers if you're traveling somewhere cold, while the small cube works well for a few t-shirts, shorts, and undergarments. It would have been nice if there was a rectangular option in between these sizes, but Peak Design currently sticks to small and medium only. One thing that elevates these cubes is how they squash down when they're not fully packed. The thin nylon easily molds to fit odd spaces in your bag rather than staying boxy and rigid. Plus, once you zip them up, there's a second zipper for compression. This lets you squeeze out extra air and fit more items in a tight space. Just watch out for the stretchy mesh inside, which can snag on the compression zipper if you're not careful. Another perk is the pull-tab quick access system that lets you open the cube in one swift motion by pulling two Hypalon tabs apart. It's surprisingly convenient for grabbing an extra shirt on the fly. While this could stress the zipper if you're too rough, in normal use the design holds up. You also get a separate compartment for dirty clothes on the back side, which keeps your clean clothes fresh. The space in that compartment is limited, but it's enough to separate a few pairs of socks and underwear. Compared to other premium cubes in a similar price range, these stand out for their durability, lifetime guarantee, and eco-friendly materials. They're not the cheapest out there, and they have no mesh window, which some brands offer for easy visibility, but they make packing seamless and can handle heavy use, which justifies the higher cost in the long run. To sum up, what I like is the solid compression system that saves space, the durable materials backed by a lifetime warranty, and the quick access design with the separate dirty clothes pocket. On the downside, limited size options, only small and medium. The compression zipper can snag the inner mesh, and there's no mesh window for easy visibility.